At this vision show, Kowa is again presenting our ruggedized lenses. So ruggedized, what does this mean? If you look at this lens, you see it has a mechanical construction different from standard machine vision lenses. This is a focus mechanism, and you have this red lock ring to fix the focus instead of the standard locking screws. So that means dropping of screws or losing screws is avoided, and it's really hard for somebody to tamper with the lenses. And the iris mechanism is as follows. You can take off the front part of the lens and put in an iris plate. So all lenses come with a set of interchangeable iris plates. That means the iris is fixed, yet you have the options to interchange them. And the most important thing about this ruggedized lenses is that the inner lens elements are all glued together. So that means the optical axis for the lens is more stable when the lens is shaking, for example, on robot applications or on vehicles. And this is also an important feature for 3D measurements. If you have two stereo cameras with two lenses and you have to calibrate the cameras. So stable optical axis, overall ruggedness, and this is also important even when you transport the lenses to different locations where often devices are thrown or not handled with great care. And Kowa has ruggedized lenses for the 1-inch 5 megapixel series, also for a 2/3 inch 2 megapixel series, and we are planning it also for a 1.1 inch 24 megapixel from now on.